Now my next question is, if fx is twice differential function such that fa is equal to 0, fb this and this are this, then the minimum of number of zeros for of gx in the interval. So this closed interval, you see this gx. What is gx? Gx. This is equal to your f dash x the whole square plus f double dash x into fx this. So if you uh, see this, if you differentiate d dx of fx and f dash x, if you differentiate this, what are you going to get? You see fx, so product rule, so you will get that, you will get f dash x into f dash x plus f double dash x into fx. So this is equal to f dash x the whole square plus f double dash x into fx. So here you can see that derivative of this, let us consider this as function hx is equal to fx into f dash x. If we consider this as hx, so derivative of hx, you are going to get this, that is f dash x the whole square plus f double dash x into fx, and this is equal to g. Derivative of ddx of this, that is ddx of this, you are going to get gx. So we can conclude that your h dash x is equal to gx. We can conclude that your h dash x is equal to gx. So here, uh, let me write it like this, is equal to ddx of fx f dash x is this one. Your ddx of this is this one. So you are going to get gx. So that means we can say that h dash x, I have considered this as as this function as hx. So here your h dash x is equal to gx. Your h dash x is equal to gx. Here you see that your h dash x is equal to gx. So now let us come to these points. Here, these points here. Let us draw a graph because it is a function. So your 0, a somewhere here, b because a is less than b, c, then d, then here this is your e graph. At 0, this is fa, somewhere here, this is fa. Fa is 0, sorry, fa is 0, so this is 0. And for also, sorry, let it, this a is 0, this point. And now b is 2, so 1, 2, and then minus 1. So b is 2, the point is somewhere here. Here this is b point 2. This is b point. Right. This is the b point. Now again c is minus 1, so this point is somewhere here, minus 1. And your d is again 2, so a b c d is again 2, so d is 2 here, it is here. And e a b c d e, your e is here, it is 0. And if you draw the graph will be somewhat like this. The graph will be somewhat like this, somewhat like this. So here you see that means this is the graph of, you can say this is the graph of fx, this is the graph of y is equal to fx, this is the graph of fx. So here these are the point where your f dash, this is tangent, this is the tangent parallel, here these tangents are parallel. So this is the point where your f dash x is 0. 0. This is the point where your f dash x is 0, and this is the point where your f dash x is 0. So here you see that your hx is equal to fx dot f dash x. So number of zeros of fx, this is the function fx graph, number of, this is a, so here this is e, so fx, the number of zeros for fx is 4, see 1 for fx is zeros, 1 2 3 4, there are 4 zeros, these are the zeros, 4 zeros. And for f dash x, 1 2 3, there are 3 zeros, so 7 plus 3, that means equal to, it's 7 plus 4 plus 3, that's 7. There are 7 points where these are zeros, 7 points of zeros. There are 7 points of zeros, zeros. 7 points of zeros, 7 points of zeros. So what we conclude here, zeros. If fx there is 4 point of 0, then f dash x there are 3 point of zeros. So now your this is hx. So hx, if so here you see if fx, so if fx there are 4 point of zeros, then f dash x there are 3 point of zeros, means 3 point of zeros. So now we have to find number of zeros. So here if h dash x, that means if hx, so h dash, number of zeros of hx, h dash x, see one thing, now fx 4, then f dash x 3, so so if 4, then f dash x 3, so if hx has 7, so h dash x will have how much? 6 points of zeros, 6 points of zeros, they will have 6 points of zeros. And h dash x is gx, so gx will have how much? 6 points, 6 points of zeros, 6 points of zeros. Here you see if fx has 4 points, then f dash x has 3 points of zeros, so one less. So if hx has 7 points, h dash one less, that is 6 points of 0. And your h dash x is gx, so it has 6 points of 0 within the interval a to e, within this interval a to, this is e, in the a to e, a to e. So this is all about how to solve this question. Now here it is given to you that if the derivative of tan inverse 6x root x by 1 minus 9x cube is equal to root x gx, if the derivative of this is this, so the derivative of this is root x gx, if this the derivative of this is that, if this is this, so you have to find out the value of gx. So here you see that what happens, if you see tan inverse, this is 2 into 3 x to the power of half plus 1 3 by 2, and 1 minus 3 x 3 by 2 the whole square. Here you see this value is 9, 2 to cancel, 9x to the power of 3, so this will be root x gx, you get this. Now this is the formula, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So here this will be d by dx, this will be 2 tan inverse uh, your x is 3 x to the power of 3 by 2, that is equal to root x gx. Now 2, so differentiation of this tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square 1 plus 3 x 3 by 2 the whole square, and then there is a chain rule, so because of this chain rule this will be 3 into 3 by 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1, that will be equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to root x gx. So here you see that this 2 cancels out, and 2 cancels out, so this will be 9 root x by 1 plus 1 plus 9 root x 3 2 3 by 2, it's okay, that will be 9. This is 9x cube, that is equal to root x gx. So here you see that this is gx, so here you see that your gx is equal to 9 by 1 plus 9x cube. This is your answer. So 1 by 9x cube is first is your answer. So this there is a small technique here, just a simple technique here. We are using this formula. It is a simple technique here. It has been used and we are using this formula. So gx will be equal to 9 by 9 by 1 plus 9x cube. So this is your answer. Now here let fx be a differentiable on the interval this such that f1 is 0, and here this one, then for x greater than 0, then you have to find the value of fx. The most important point here, you see this limit, it has been given t tends to x, so t square fx, t square minus x square ft by t minus x is equal to 1. So here you see that x square. So here you see that t tends to x, that means limit. What do we do? This variable tends to some constant, 0 or say 1 or say minus 2 or say some constant. So here x is treated as a constant. So now because here if we apply x minus x 0, so we are going to apply L'Hospital rules. So this will be limit t tends to x. This will be this is your constant, this is your variable 2t fx, and this is your constant, and this is f dash x, and here this constant is 0, so this is 1 is equal to 1. So this will be 2x fx minus x square f dash x is equal to 1. So this will be 1 minute f dash fx, so this is f dash t. So when limit this x t tends to x, this will be x, this becomes x. So here this is minus x square f dash x plus 2x fx minus 1 equal to 0. So this will be x square f dash x square f dash x plus 2x, sorry, this will be minus 2x fx plus 1 equal to 0. This will be plus 1 equal to 0. So here you see that this is x square dy by dx minus 2x dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. So dividing now x square dy by dx minus 2x dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So here dividing both sides by x square, dy by dx minus 2x by x square dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square. So here dy by dx minus 2 by x this is, oh, this is y. Fx, this means this is y, sorry. This is y. This is your y. So this is your y. So here, not this is your y is equal to minus 1 by x square. So here you see that it becomes a linear equation, a linear differential equation. So your integration factor will be equal to e to the power of minus 2x dx. So this will be equal to e to the power of minus 2 log x. So this will be equal to, this will be equal to minus 2 log x, and so this will be equal to e to the power of log x to the power of minus 2, and so this will be ultimately x to the power of minus 2. Your integration factor is x to the power of minus 2, so y into integration factor minus 2 is equal to q, that is 1 by x square, and x to the power of minus 2 dx plus c. So y by x square, this will be equal to minus 1 by x to the power of 4 dx plus c. So this will be y by x square, that is equal to minus x to the power of minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus c. So y by x square, that will be equal to minus 4 plus 1 minus plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 plus c. So your y by x square is equal to 1 by 3x plus c. So here, uh, uh, we see that f1 is equal to 1. So f1 is equal to 1. So f1 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 3 plus c. So this will be equal to 2 by 3. So this will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to c, 2 by 3, that will be equal to c. So here, because your y is 1 for x is equal to 1, so here your this will be c is equal to 2 by 3. So your equation here, y by x square is equal to 1 by 3x plus c, that is 2 by 3. So I can write here, this is y is equal to, this is equal to x square by 3x plus 2x square by 3. So y is equal to x by 3 plus 2x square by 3. This is your answer. 2x square by 3, 2x square by 3, 1 by 3x. This is 1 by 3x. How this is 1 by 3x? Because um, uh, 1 by 3, this is minus 3, sorry. This is minus 3. So minus 3, this will be x to the power of 3. This will be x to the power of 3. So x to the power of 3. So this is, so here this will be y is equal to y is y by x square, that will be equal to 1 by 3x cube plus 2 by 3. So y is equal to x by, not x, 1 by, sorry, not x, 1 by 3x plus 2x square by 3. So this is your answer. I think so everything is correct here. Integration factor minus x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 by minus 2 by x dx. So this is minus 2, that is equal to log x to this. So here this is your answer. So this is your answer. So this is the only important part. This part you can solve it yourself. So the only part important, the most important part here you consider this as as a constant. You have to consider x, because whenever this is considered as a variable, tends to some constant, some fixed value. So so this is treated as constant, and rest is this, that is your simple linear equation or L'Hospital rule, which you have learned in your class 12. So this is your answer. It is the first is your answer. Because x square with x square and plus cx. So when y is equal to 1, 1 by 3 1, and this is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 3, that will be 2 by 3. So this is your answer. And only the main important point here was that your x was considered as a variable, as a constant. X is considered as a constant. T is your variable.